When you are ready to upload your recruitment data into REDCap, navigate within Excel to the File, Save As menu. Name the spreadsheet with an extension that includes the date. The reason for doing a Save As on the entire Excel workbook is to keep a log of each REDCap upload. By the end of the study, you should have an Excel workbook for each REDCap upload. Once the entire Excel workbook has been saved, select the CSV tab along the bottom of your workbook. With the CSV tab selected, again go to the File, Save As menu. When the Save As window appears, select the file format or file type to be comma separated or comma delimited values .csv. Name the CSV file as the date of the REDCap upload and click Save. You will get a series of error messages when you click Save. The first will warn you that you cannot save an entire Excel workbook as a CSV file, but that you can save the active sheet as a CSV file. This is exactly what you want to do because you have the CSV tab in your Excel workbook already selected. Click Save Active Sheet. Next, you may see an additional error message telling you that saving as a CSV file may result in the loss of some formatting. This is okay. Just click Continue or OK. Once you have saved the CSV file, completely close out of Excel. You may be asked to save your CSV one additional time and acknowledge the loss of formatting. Go ahead and click OK or Continue until Excel is completely closed out. Next, you will navigate to the REDCap website. The URL can be found in the Study Procedure Manual and will be listed in weekly emails reminding you to upload new recruitment data. Once you are at the REDCap website, use your CHOP-issued login credentials to access the database. If you have not already claimed your login credentials or are experiencing difficulties with logging in, call the number listed here on the REDCap homepage for further assistance. When you have successfully logged into REDCap, you will notice a series of tabs along the top of the page. Click on the My Projects tab. When the My Projects tab has loaded, click on the Promise IBD Validation Recruitment Database link listed under My Projects. When the Promise IBD Validation Recruitment Database page is loaded, locate and click on the Data Import tool along the left-hand side of your web browser. Once the Data Import tool loads, at the bottom of the screen you will notice a green box. Ensure that the record format is set to the default of rows, and click on Choose File to select the file that we recently saved as a CSV for upload. Once the file is attached, click the Upload File button. You may get a message telling you that the file is being uploaded. This could take several minutes. Once the CSV file is successfully uploaded, you will see all of your data in the Data Display table. This is the last opportunity you will have to review the data before importing it into REDCap. Any data that is already loaded into REDCap will appear as gray text. Any data that will be newly added will appear as black text. Any data that appears in red text is data that you are changing from your last upload. For example, you may have noticed that you entered the wrong ICN ID for a patient last week, and you made the change in the data entry sheet within your Excel recruitment workbook this week. Since you saved a new CSV file and are uploading that new CSV file this week, the change you made in your data entry sheet will appear as red text in REDCap. Verify that any red text you see in the data display table is data you intend to change. After you have given your data one final check and everything looks correct, scroll to the bottom of this page and click Import Data. Again, you may get a message that the file is being imported. This could take several minutes. When the data is successfully imported, you will see a confirmation message.